Yeah, hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank all my subscribers and I want to thank all my viewers as well. Thank you for the support. Today, I want to talk about the stock market again. I want to talk about the basic triangle patterns in technical analysis. I will focus on symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle is the last pattern that we talk about in the triangle patterns, right? So it is the last one. We talk about, first of all, about the ascending triangle, then we talk about the descending triangle, and the symmetrical triangle is the last one. So what it is, how can we trade it? Let's get into it. Okay, so it is simple. This is a symmetrical triangle. The basic characteristic of this pattern is the support is rising, the resistance is declining. If we can look on the chart, we see the support is right here. The support is rising, and we can see that the resistance is declining. So it's forming a symmetrical. This is the resistance and this is the support. So the main thing about this pattern is the probability is 50 up or 50 down. So it is a 50-50 rules. So it means that the stock can end up going up or the stock can end up coming down. So you never know. As usual in descending triangle, we know that the support is horizontal and the resistance is declining. And in an ascending triangle, the support is rising and the resistance is horizontal. So this symmetrical triangle is is the opposite of both. So it is one that you don't really know the direction that the stock will end up going. It is 50-50. So how do you use them? How do you trade them? So the main thing that I always tell people, when you have a symmetrical triangle, you have to wait for a breakout at the resistance right here. And in this case, this stock broke above this resistance. This is your signal point, and this is when you want to get in and ride it to the up. I mean, to the top. If you want, you can put your stop loss somewhere down here in case the stock comes back, you get out. So it is a 50-50 probability. So let's say this stock end up being here and then it collapse. This is your signal point. So you want to see a breakdown at the support to take a short position. But if it is going up, breaking above this resistance, you want to take a long position. It means you want to buy, go high. If it break below this, you want to take a short position coming down. So it is simple. This tells you when to get in, up and down. So the main thing that you want to keep in mind with this pattern is it is a 50-50. It is a 50. The stock might end up going up or it might end up coming down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below and leave the like to my videos as well. Thank you very much for watching. The thing that I'm gonna say is we have done a series of presentation about the triangle pattern, and we did the ascending, we did the descending, and we are doing right now the symmetrical. So we are done with the triangle. We will start another series last time. Thank you very much for watching and have a good one.